So this new tour is called the Play That Song Tour, and so we play songs from our new album, A Girl, A Bottle, A Boat, and then girls from other albums. We're out with Natasha Bedingfield and OAR. We get to do songs with them on stage. And the production, the light, I don't know, man, I feel like we're Pink Floyd on this tour. It's really cool. There's a lot of songs that I couldn't do without in a live performance. Probably Drops of Jupiter, #1, but lately a song called Lost and Found from our new album really is getting people excited. And there's another song called Working Girl that gets people excited too. So, man, there's a bunch of them, but after 23 years, I suppose there should be.
Okay. No, thank you. You ready, Rich?
I'm ready.
Okay, so stay out until I tell you.
Gotcha.
It's about 4.5 minutes in.
Emotions, I got you.
I'm kidding. Okay, here we go.
Where's the weirdest place you've heard a train song playing as you've been going out? Like, have you been in a drugstore? Have you been, like, in Malaysia, and one of your songs comes on and it kind of freaks you out a little bit?
What's freaking me out is that you know that I go to drugstores in Malaysia.